Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel The Shoe Freak. I hope you guys all are doing good. So friends, welcome to a new video. In this video you will going to see many ideas about green heels. So let's start our video. Green heels are a stylish and unique choice in the world of footwear. They come in various shades of green, from deep emeralds to vibrant lime greens, and offer a fresh and vibrant alternative to more traditional shoe colors. Whether you are dressing up for a special occasion or want to add a pop of color to your everyday outfit, green heels can make a bold fashion statement. One of the key attractions of green heels is their ability to add a touch of creativity and individuality to your wardrobe. Green is often associated with nature and growth, and wearing green heels can be a way to express a connection to the environment. These heels can effortlessly complement a wide range of clothing, from dresses and skirts to jeans and trousers, making them a versatile addition to your closet. Green heels are available in various styles and materials. You can find green pumps for a classic and timeless look, green stilettos for a more daring and elegant appearance, and green wedges for added comfort. Materials like leather, suede, and satin are commonly used, each offering a unique texture and appearance. Leather green heels are often seen as more formal, while suede provides a soft textured look and satin can add a touch of luxury to your ensemble. Comfort is a crucial factor when selecting green heels. Many brands offer padded insoles and cushioned footbeds to ensure that you can wear them for extended periods without discomfort. High heels varies, allowing you to choose between low, mid or high heels to suit your comfort and style preferences. So to maintain the vibrancy of green heels, proper care is essential. Regular cleaning and protection against stains and scuffs are important to keep them looking their best. Storing them in a cool, dry place and avoiding exposure to excessive heat or indirect sunlight can help preserve their appearance. In summary, green heels are a fashionable and distinctive choice for footwear. Their diverse shades, style, and materials make them a versatile addition to your wardrobe. Suitable for a variety of occasions, with the right care, these stylish heels can remain a statement piece in your fashion collection. So friends, I hope you like this video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share my YouTube channel. And tell me in comments if you want more videos on these types of shoes. I will see you in my next video with more creative ideas of shoes. Goodbye. See you soon.